Next is question number 10, part A. Complete the table for the four sequences A, B, C, and D. We have to find next term and nth term. For sequence A, here difference between these terms, 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3. So next term will be 11 plus 3, which will be 14, and its nth term then will be an plus n minus 1 into d. First term is 2, n minus 1, and common difference is 3, equals 2 plus 3n minus 3 equals 3n minus 1. Sequence B is 20, 14, 8 and 2. Here difference is 14 minus 20 is minus 6, 8 minus 14 is minus 6, 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So 2 minus 6 will be minus 4, and its nth term a1 plus n minus 1 into d. First term is 20 plus n minus 1, d is minus 6, equals 20 minus 6n plus 6 equals 26 minus 6n. Nth term is 26 minus 6n. Sequence C is 1, 4, 9 and 16, which is, this 1 is 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square. Next term will be 5 square. 5 square is 25, and nth term is n square. And this sequence D, this is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Next is 2. 2 is 2 square minus 2 is 2. Next is 3, which is 3 square minus 3 is 6. Then is 4 square minus 4 is 4 square is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. Next will be 5 square minus 5. This will be 25 minus 5 is 20. And nth term will be n square minus n. Part B. The sum of the first n terms of a sequence is n into 3n plus 1 over 2. Part first is, when the sum of the first n terms is 155, show that 3n square plus n minus 310 is equal to 0. N into 3n plus 1 over 2 is equal to 155. This will be 3n square plus n equals 155 times 2 is 310. So 3n square minus n minus 310 is equal to 0. Hence proved. Next is part 2. Solve 3n square plus n minus 310 is equal to 0. 3n square plus 31n minus 30n minus 310 equals 0. Taking n as common, this will be 3n plus 31 minus taking 10 as common, this will be n plus 31 equals 0. Now n minus 10 into 3n plus 31. Now n minus 10 equals 0 or 3n plus 31 equals 0. N is equal to 10 Rn is equal to minus 31 over 3. Part 3. Complete the statement. The sum of the first dash terms of this sequence is 155 and positive root is 10. So sum of first 10 terms of this sequence is 155.